Interest is quickly growing around the upcoming DJI Avata 360 as early creators begin sharing their first impressions before the drone's official reveal. Recently leaked photos circulating online have given enthusiasts a detailed look at the complete package that will reportedly ship with the drone. The images show a compact FPV drone featuring a redesigned frame with ducted propellers and a forward-facing camera module designed to deliver immersive flying and full 360-degree capture. The design appears more refined than earlier versions, suggesting that DJI has focused on improving aerodynamics and overall durability while keeping the drone compact enough for agile flight. The leaked package contents suggest that the Avata 360 is intended to be a ready-to-fly system straight out of the box. Along with the drone itself, the kit appears to include a pair of DJI FPV goggles that allow pilots to experience the flight in real time from a first-person perspective. A motion controller is also included, offering intuitive one-hand control that makes FPV flying easier for beginners while still being engaging for experienced pilots. 2 intelligent batteries are shown in the package as well, giving users the ability to extend their flight sessions without constantly stopping to recharge. Other accessories spotted in the images include spare propellers, a charging hub, cables, screws, a cleaning cloth for the lens, and a wrist strap. The entire set fits neatly inside a protective carrying case, reinforcing the idea that DJI wants users to have a complete FPV experience right away without needing additional purchases. Even though many creators are currently restricted by non-disclosure agreements, DJI has reportedly allowed limited preview footage to be shared online. This early footage gives viewers a glimpse of how the drone performs in real flight conditions. From what has been seen so far, the new model appears slightly larger than previous Avata drones. Interestingly, while it looks bigger overall, the body seems slimmer and more streamlined, giving it a sleek and modern appearance that should help with flight efficiency and stability. Another noticeable change involves the battery system. Reports suggest that the Avata 360 uses a redesigned battery that will not be compatible with earlier Avata models. While this may disappoint users who already own spare batteries, the new system could offer improvements in efficiency and performance. Many early demonstrations show the drone being paired with the DJI Goggles N3 for an immersive first-person flight experience, and it is also expected to support the DJI Goggles 3. Because the drone captures full 360-degree footage, pilots may sometimes notice a stitching line during live viewing inside the goggles. However, this seam can typically be removed during post-production editing, allowing creators to generate seamless 360-degree videos afterward. The drone appears designed to appeal to both beginners and advanced pilots. Multiple control modes are expected, allowing experienced users to switch into full manual FPV flying for dynamic maneuvers, while newcomers can rely on assisted flight modes that make the learning process easier and safer. A head tracking feature is also rumored, enabling the camera to follow the pilot's head movements inside the goggles for a more natural and immersive viewing experience. Camera capabilities are shaping up to be one of the most exciting aspects of the Avata 360. The system reportedly uses 2 square 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors capable of producing 64 megapixel images. Each sensor offers an extremely wide 200-degree field of view, which helps create the complete 360-degree capture. Combined with a bright f/1.9 aperture, mechanical tilt stabilization, and digital 360 stabilization, the drone is designed to deliver smooth, cinematic footage even during fast and complex flights. Early information suggests the drone could offer a flight time of roughly 23 minutes and a transmission range reaching up to 20 kilometers. Additional intelligent features such as ActiveTrack, QuickShots, and automatic return to home further hint that DJI wants the Avata 360 to be both powerful and easy to use. With its combination of immersive FPV flying and advanced 360-degree filming capabilities, the drone is shaping up to be an exciting option for creators looking to capture unique perspectives from the sky. The official unveiling is expected soon, and many drone enthusiasts are eager to see whether the final product lives up to the growing hype surrounding it.